Glad to have you join us again on Business Breakfast on iBrand TV. Let's do some analysis of yesterday's trading activities at the Nigerian Exchange. Let's tell you that the Nigerian Exchange concluded trading session on a negative note as the all-share index recorded 1.31% decline, closing at 59,195.21 index points. The all-share index traded 1.31% lower to close at 59,195.21 index points as against 59,855.10 index points recorded in the previous day trading session. The market capitalization of equities depreciated by 430 billion naira to close at 32.332 trillion naira, at 1.31% loss compared to the 32.662 trillion naira recorded in the previous trading session. Now, market breadth closed negative as MRS PLC closed with 10.00%. Leading the gainers chart is Sunu Assurance with 10.00%, and then while UBA PLC was the most traded equity by volume at the end of Thursday trading session. As usual, I have joining me live in the studio to do some analysis of trading activities at the NGX yesterday is the Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting Limited, Ambrose Amodion. Good morning, Mr. Ambrose. Always a pleasure having you on the studio.
Thanks for having me again.
You look amazing on your blue Jonathan outfit. So let's talk markets. What's your reaction to activities at the exchange yesterday?
For me, it's expected that any market that have rallied to almost 16 years high, it's expected that profit taking will be part of it. And especially when we saw the 2 days of real bull market, that market recorded almost 8% in just 2 days. That's telling you that market players or others in the market need to take profit out of the system. And it's good that also, before I tell you that this month of June is a sell month.
Yes, it is.
But because of the new appointment we're seeing in government, and also the government acting out their policy statement has also changed the psychology of the people in the market. And also the major one is that the free float of the FS has also kind of encouraged foreign investors to come back to the market. Gradually, they are not here fully, but gradually, we tell you that for me, the market system will also change.
Okay.
As far as I was seeing this window opening, we want to open government revenue, everything in the market. But as we speak, in the short run, we might see that those in the market sector might get hit because of the free float, because cost of dollar will also go high, going to affect their own negatively. But for investment sector of the market, they enjoy it. Why? Because foreign investors now see that now that we have free float, it is now done on government to make sure that this free float is sustained. Because once you want to attract foreign investors, especially the direct investors, we call them direct investors, not just portfolio investors that want to carry portfolio account to Nigeria, invest in the next day they are going now, but those that want to invest for 5 years, 10 years in Nigeria, you need to assure them that this float will be sustained so that they will not just come at 700 naira or 680 when they are going, they are going to what 120. But for me, it's a good step in the direction that the government have taken. But for the market, profit taking, for me, there's no cost for allow. A pullback will create opportunity, but I believe that because market have rallied to almost 60 basis points and above, you need to adjust little. People that are saying the market to adjust as far as low of 50 again or 48, it will take time. A little adjustment, market continue, because by next month of July, we'll be expecting more earnings for half years outside in the market. For me, it's a good thing for the market, because factors that drive the market between now and enter into the Q3 are coming on gradually, because the more the government put their statement into action, the more it direct what people behavior and movement of funds from one sector to the other. Especially having the month of June as the MPC meeting that is coming.
Yes, next month.
We're also seeing that anywhere in the world, MPC, we cannot control exchange rate,
yes,
inflation, and interest at once. But what we are seeing now, the government want to control the trade at once. What is going to play out at the MPC meeting? Because if you look at the inflation figure that came yesterday, we saw inflation move from to 2.22 to 2.42 again.
Exactly.
And also, if interest is already around the 18.5, then we have next MPC meeting. And we have seen across the globe a misadjustment. US left their interest rate or change.
On change, yes.
While Japan cut.
Yes.
We saw also European bank increasing their own again.
Yes.
You can see, we want to see where are we to toe in Nigeria, because if you want to really attract foreign investors, you must increase rate. If you want to drive the economy, you must decrease rate. That means let's see how we are waiting to see the outcome when they come July 2023 to see where we are going. But I believe that the government have hit the ground running, which is a good sign. Subsidy removed, It's limited one estimate. We're moving gradually. Let's see how we win the next FPC meeting again.
Yes, because you just touched on the next question I'm going to ask you. How is the market reacting to inflation rate? We're having a 22.41% as against the 22.22%. And then again, you also made mention of some fundamentals. The interest rate, which is at 18.5%, and also a MPC meeting, a critical factor to the activities of the Nigerian market and also the financial sector and the economy at large. Now, if we put all these fundamentals together, what are your projections of market activities, let's say, for the next quarter after the MPC meeting next month?
For me, because of this free float, people will do of what the equity space. Because, fine, equity space, as price is going up, dividend yield will be turning out. That means it will not be attracting for dividend, but price will be going up.
Okay.
But also, if you look at inflation, the only sector you can hedge against inflation is the capital market. Because I tell you, anything in the fiscal market is still below 16%. Already we're having 22.4% in inflation, and we are earning at 16.4. We are nowhere. For me, people want to look at the role of equity where they can hedge, because people are earning almost 50% in just 2 days, in just 1 week in the equity market. You can hedge against inflation through that too. But going to put your money in fixed income market or treasury bill that are earning 10% in a year, and inflation is already at 22.4, we're already in a negative return. That means people fund will likely, but as I said, as we see more policy from government, fund will look for where it can go and make what or bring more profit. But why profit? Those are risk takers who want to bring the risk low. They want to go into fixed income. But we that are risk takers, I tell you, want to look for equity packet where we can make money.
Okay, so Ambrose, I know we'll have analyst hangouts later in the day to do some in-depth analysis of this. But finally, before I let you go, what is the outlook for markets today, being the final trading session for the week, and then your projection for the incoming week?
Yeah, for me today, I expect to see a mixed market, because yesterday we saw market was on profit taking. This morning, market started in a very shaky mood. But as we speak now, market is also shaping up again. That means if all these high cap stocks in the market do not share price today, we might see market closing marginally up. But if any of them go in the southward direction, market will be in red. For next week, because there is also a week that usher was closer to the month of June, people also try to shape their portfolio, rearrange it, rebalance it, so that they can position for the earnings season. For me, I believe between next week to start to play in mixed market. This week was already seen in new market. If market closing for me, between now, since the fundamental or the environment have changed the month of June, but still June also will remain in this mixed rate until end of the month.
All right, beautiful analysis as always. Ambrose Omodion, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting. Many thanks for always being available to do market analysis on Business Breakfast.
Thanks for having me.